So good morning, my name is Teresa and I'm here to represent the Patriotic Alliance, but I'm also presenting the March in March, which is very close to my heart. We are here to make a statement today to let the undocumented foreigners know that we now mean business. We need Mr. President Ramaphosa to stand up for this country. We can't do this alone, and we need to get rid of these undocumented foreigners. Reason being, our children is suffering. Our grandchildren is suffering. They've got spaza shops. They're selling expired foods. They are they are selling expired foods. They are taking over the schools. They are taking over wherever possible. They got all the shops down here. Our people are on the second and the third floor where they're taking all the business. We need to make a stand, and we need to make that stand today, and that is what we are here for today. We are not here as just one political party, we are here as a group to make that stand.